Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. During the 16 days of activism, as we unite to end digital violence against women and girls, we are reminded that justice must extend into every space, including the online world that shapes so much of our lives. Law and protection reminds us that digital abuse carries real legal consequences. In South Africa, the Cybercrimes Act and POPI Act play a crucial role in protecting individuals from harassment, data misuse, and online threats. These laws recognize that online harm is not less serious, it is real, if it is damaging, and it deserves accountability. As legal, accounting, and financial professionals, we hold a special responsibility. Our conduct must reflect integrity and the highest ethical standards. We must also help our communities understand their rights, the right to privacy, the right to safety, and the right to report and seek justice when digital boundaries are violated. Justice in the digital age requires more than legislation. It requires partnership. It calls for faith, humanity, and the law working hand in hand to build a society where every person is protected both online and offline. Together, let us be the guardians of dignity, truth, safety in this evolving digital world. Thank you.